This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive uphill in an automatic car. Driving uphill smoothly requires understanding your vehicle's automatic transmission. We'll cover how to maintain consistent speed without rolling back, ensuring a safe and efficient climb. You'll learn techniques for applying steady acceleration, making your uphill journeys much easier and more controlled. This foundational knowledge is key to confident driving on any incline. When facing an incline, your automatic car might benefit from a lower gear. This provides more torque, giving your engine the power it needs to climb without straining. Pay close attention to your engine's revolutions per minute, or RPM, to avoid overworking it. If your vehicle seems to struggle, manually shifting into a lower gear, like L or 2, can make a significant difference, offering better control and power. Maintaining consistent momentum is crucial for a smooth uphill drive. Apply steady, gentle pressure to the accelerator pedal, avoiding sudden bursts or abrupt braking. These sudden changes can disrupt your vehicle's rhythm and make the climb more challenging. Always maintain a safe following distance of at least 2 to 3 car lengths from the vehicle ahead. This allows you ample time to react to traffic flow and anticipate any necessary adjustments. For added assistance, many modern automatic vehicles feature a hill hold assist, which keeps your brakes engaged for a few seconds after you release the pedal, preventing rollback. Practice starting on various inclines, from gentle slopes to steeper grades, to build your confidence and refine your technique. Always remain aware of your surroundings, checking for pedestrians, cyclists, and other vehicles, ensuring a safe and controlled ascent every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.